So today we're going to solve another question from LEBS. So we have this 3.1, 3.41. So this is the diagram. So here we have the solution. F is equals to TAB over RB is equals to TEF over RE times TEF is equals to RE over RB times TAB. So given we have TAB is equals to 1.2 feet per inch or 1,200 pounds per inch. For TEF we have V over 4.5 times 1,200 is equals to 1,600 pounds per inch. So the twist in shaft FE. So we have L is equals to 12 inch, C is equals to 1 over 2 times 7 over 8 is equals to 7 over 16 inch, and G is equals to 11.2 times 10 to the 6 psi. So for J we have pi over 2 times C to the 4th is equals to pi over 2 times 7 over 16 to the 4th, not with 57.548 times 10 to the negative 3 inch 4. So angle EF, we have EC over GG is equals to 1,600 times 12 over 11.2 times 10 to the 6 times 57.548 times 10 to the negative 3. We have 289.789 times 10 to the negative 3. So rotation at E. So we have the angle at T is equals to angle at TF. We are 29.789 times 10 to the 3 negative 12. So this the speed of the rotation is equal to RA is equals to RB and angle B. So for angle B we have RA over RB is equals to angle E we have 6 over 4.5 times 29.789 times 10 to the negative 3 is equals to 29.788 times 10 to the negative 3. So for length we have 8 plus 6 equals to 14 inch. J is equals to 57.548 times 10 to the negative 3 inch 4. So the angle AB we have PC over GG we have 1,200 times 14. So we have over 11.2 times 10 to the 6 times 57.54 times 10 to the negative 3. We have 26.065 times 10 to the negative 3. So angle A is equals to angle B plus angle AB. So we have the values 39 times 0.718 times 10 to the negative 3 plus 26.065 times 10 to the negative 3. We have angle A is equals to 65.783 times 10 to the negative 3 rad. So to convert this to degrees, we multiply it to 180 degrees over 5. So now we have angle A is equals to 3.77 degrees. And that is all.